Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Your lady. I came to identify with my brother, the celebrant of today, the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory and the immediate past governor of Rivers State. When I showed up yesterday, I told him I brought peace offering because he has been boasting that he will put fire in some states. I said, please don't put fire in your state. And let me say this to my brother. This is on behalf of my other colleague here. I have the governor of Adamawa State, Right Honorable Obaru Fintiri. I will say that the Honorable Minister Nyesom Wike, and by the way, they will always say immediate past governor. You have here also former governors. You have one-time governors. Me, I'm also counting down to join you guys as past governor. Let me say you've done well for your people. When we came in, I asked people from the airport up until I got to the hotel and here, I've seen projects, and there were projects that were done during your 8 years in office. I'll come back. I'd like to be taken to other projects that have been done now. So this honor being given to you